popular. In this tutorial I'm going to show what is DNS round robin. Now DNS round robin is kind of technique which implemented at web server, and it's this kind of fault tolerance. We as a user when access web server, uh, it resolve the host, and we as a client tries to communicate with the web server. But if we have a too much client, if the particular web server got too much requests to resolve the host name, then it could create problems. So what exactly happens that at the last video, at an NLB video, we saw that when web server is there and it having a client of tens 1, tens 2, tens 3, just for fault tolerance, and a user wants to communicate with web server, that web server took the request and sent the request to its client. So whatever tens 1, tens 2, tens 3 are in the network, it what it exactly do, it just took the request and sent it to the client. So for example, not one but two or three web server, for the two or three user tries to access web server, they send the request to web through ISP to the web server, and the web server took the request and send it to its client for tens 1, tens 2, tens 3 respectively. Now this is what round robin is. For example, APC request for the query through web server. The web server's work is to send that to tens 1. Then the sequence by web server keep on sending requests. Sequence by, for example, first will goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise, if a web server took a request solely, then we might see the collapse on web server, the only web server if in the network. So client will be at sequence wise. So like in the previous video, we don't have a web server, but we do have two clients which used a virtual IP. Now in this scenario, we don't using the virtual IP, but at right click at this DNS server, at server manager, at advanced, you will find uh, the round robin enable. Now by default, round robin enables in server 2008. Now give a command called nslookup. This is domain name, tagengineer.tv. So DNS, you will find the two address, tens 2 and tens 1. One is this server and tens 1 is another one. You find the sequence wise IP address is changing. First preferred goes tens 1, then tens 2. Now again tens 2 come. Again give a query DNS lookup. Again we get the tens 2. We should get tens 1. Finally we get the tens 1. So again if you give NS lookup tag engineer TV, so it might be give tends to by default round robin enables, and it sees the opportunity to send a request and the query to almost every server. Now we disable round robin, and let's see whether what NS lookup giving the response. Now NS lookup space tag engineer TV, and you find that we are getting requests from tens 1. Again give a command, we are getting requests for tens 1. Now we are getting from tens 2. Let's give another command, tens 2 again. So we should get tens 2. Yeah, we are getting from tens 2 again. Okay, so it's tabled at tens 2. Tens 2 is the second server of this network, so it's tabled at tens 2 network. So it starts with 1, but it changed to 10 and it's tabled to 10. This is where our home network is. If we are if we try to see whether what kind of response we get in the public network, so at command prompt DNIC, which is connected with the public network, so ns lookup outlook.com, and when I give a command low, you can see lot many computers are uh, simultaneously working. Our first see the user 130, and then now the first preference got to 34. The first computer changed to 34, again 34. Let me try this command again. Now the first computer goes to 10, and now 82. So IP changing. uh, the series are there, 4 5 6 series are there. Again it's changed to 34, 242. Again give the command ns lookup. Now we changing uh, domain. Now we let try Facebook. Okay, Facebook, and we are getting only one. Okay, it was wrong ns lookup. So only one IP address, and it's not having two free public IPs. Only one IP. Same with Gmail also. Since they acquire one IP address, but they have lots of clients at home system, just like we saw in the previous video of NLB, that it have lot many things. So hope you